folks, welcome back to the channel. For the purpose of today's video, I didn't think ahead to get good footage of this while it was at the meet in Bothell, so we're going to shoot it today here in the workshop. I know some of you have been excited to see the side dump tractor and trailer that we have been building. Today we're going to show you the functionality of this wonderful trailer built by JMI RC Truck and Trailer Bodies. This was a custom build that we commissioned through JMI. This will be followed by a short video of the trailer out at work in P&W STE's club gathering at Bothell. First we're going to start by airing up the main air ride suspension. I've got two 5-quart containers of used oil in the bed of the trailer just to show you that this thing is functional. Alright, there's our air ride suspension. Now we're going to put down the drop axles. And there goes our low voltage alarm on our remote. Alright, we've got air in that. Now we'll go ahead and release it to raise the trailer lift axles. Yes, I know, low voltage. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to the channel.